Where do you adopt dogs and cats from? Does anybody know? He's 16 years old, which is 16 times 7 in dog years. Stood watch with her parents and helped over 400 sea turtle hatch. Hands up if you think you know the answer. Okay, the boy in the red shirt. Yes. Vegetarian, very close. Vegan, which is like a vegetarian. Put your hand up if you knew that was the answer. And the reason I want to talk to you today is because often it's kids your age that are out in your neighborhood and you see animals that need help. And you have an opportunity to do the kind, compassionate thing and help that animal. Kids' Voices for the Voiceless book to your school library. And our goal is to put a book in every school library in the United States.
Oh, well, I thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to have you come with
so
us
much.
today.
Thank you.
Meeting Lovey has been just a treasure.
Lovely.
And we hope that you have great success in the other schools.
Thank you very much.